All right, it is it's January 22nd, Thursday, and I'm just finishing the framing. It's sealed in this wood frame, and I added 2 pieces of detritus. I had picked up 5 pieces of old broken frame, which were on near a sidewalk not far from where I live. I don't know when I picked it up, sometime in the last half year. Just garbage, but they worked well. I had to spend a little bit of time yanking out metal hooks that were in them and then gluing them down now. And I just used 2 of them. Get to do some asymmetrical balance, as I remember a professor called it in a drawing or fundamentals of art class, or something like that, back at Southern Illinois University at Carbondale School of Art back in either autumn 74 or winter spring 75 semester. All right, Under the Wings 80, in memory of Private First Class Morton Goldstein of New Jersey, who was shot to death by a Nazi sergeant, I believe, at the Berga concentration death camp, which was like a subcamp of Buchenwald in Germany. He and a considerable number of other Allied prisoners of war, Americans among them, were executed because they were either had Jewish surnames or they were perceived to look Jewish. All right. And this tunnel architecture, I've written Trump. Artistic license. He's renamed the John F. Kennedy Center for Performing Arts as the Trump Kennedy Center. Trump is no JFK, that's for sure. Blech! Exclamation. United Nations. This is from my age 10 to 14, 15 or so stamp collection towards United Nations, April 25th, 1945, which I think he was executed in March 1945. A Third Reich, Deutsche Reich, Hitler stamp here I collaged on. And there's one other stamp here, a Deutsches Reich, like a newspaper stamp for people mailing newspapers outside of Germany. All right, what else do we have here? Allegorical sea monster. And this is from a lino cut I did some years ago about Primo Levi, the late Italian Jewish chemist, slave labor survivor, acclaimed writer, author, who passed on in 1987. All right, that's it for right now.